Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do hand reflexology. This will be a full tutorial for pain relief, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, what is reflexology? Reflexology is essentially when you apply pressure and you apply movement to certain areas on your hands or your feet, and those areas are connected. They're considered to be connected to various organs and parts of your body, and when you apply that pressure, you should experience pain relief in those parts of your body. A long time ago, I did a video on foot reflexology, and I did some additional videos on foot reflexology as well. Some of those videos did well, so I figured that people want to learn about this stuff, so I figured I'd do a video on hand reflexology now. So essentially, when you find the point that you want to deal with, and I'll go over a few options in a few moments, what you want to do is start off by rubbing the area just very gently. So let's say that I wanted to deal with this finger right here, the tip of my left ring finger up here. Okay, I would just start by rubbing the area gently for about 10 to 20 seconds. You're gonna warm up that gland there. Okay, you're gonna warm up everything about it that's there. Okay, all of the muscles, all of the tissue, all of the nerves, everything that's there, you're gonna warm it up like that. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it down with a good amount of pressure, using one finger, multiple fingers, depending on what you're working with. So hold it down with a good amount of pressure for about another 10 seconds and just apply that pressure there. Okay, then once you've done that for 10 seconds, you're gonna rub it in a bigger surface area for about another 10 seconds. So now I'm doing a bigger rub on that area for about another 10 seconds, okay? And essentially, after that, you want to take a break and see if you feel any pain relief with the area that you're trying to target. And if you feel that relief and it's good enough, perfect. If not, go back and try it again. And you can do this a couple times for each area if you need to. Now, I don't recommend that you try every area on the hand because there are so many different points on your hand for reflexology that it just doesn't make sense. It'll take you so long and you don't want to be rubbing your hand for that long. But essentially, I do recommend that you choose certain areas that you're looking for pain relief on, a couple of them, maybe a few of them, and work on those areas. Now, what are some examples? So essentially, if I go to my fingers over here, let's just deal with, let's say these last two fingers here. The tops of these fingers over here, okay, on the palm side, what we're dealing with is we're dealing with the head, the brain, and the sinus, okay? And you can go online and look at a reflexology chart, but we're dealing with the head, the brain, and the sinus over here. So if you're experiencing like a cold, a headache, you can deal with those right there, okay? Down, as we move further down over here, what we're dealing with is the neck. When we go sort of between this knuckle over here, oh my gosh, that car was so close. Did you see that? That car was like an inch away. My heart just dropped. Whoa! I don't even know. I hope I didn't react improperly in the video. I just lost my breath. Buddy, watch some of my driving tutorials about leaving the proper gap and the proper distance, please. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. I was like, I don't know if you noticed, but I was looking at the mirror like, this guy or girl's way too close. And they were very, very close. I swear, if like an inch and they would have hit me, that was, I don't know, that was way too close for me. All right, so what we're dealing with over here, between this first knuckle and the second knuckle over here on these last two fingers again, is the neck. So if you're dealing with any neck issues, any neck pain that you can't resolve through a massage, you can try and do reflexology there. And then as we go further down over here, towards this area over here, we're starting to deal with the eyes and the ears. So if you're experiencing some eye difficulty and ear difficulty, some eye pain and ear pain or discomfort, then you want to try that. Now, obviously, if you're experiencing any form of bodily pain that doesn't go away with like just a simple massage, then you want to go seek medical professional help, of course. But this is just something that you can do to give you some temporary pain relief. And hopefully, if it's like just an ache or pain that is not based on anything, but you just having like just a simple headache for no reason, maybe a stress headache, then you can try these out, right? Okay, and that's essentially it. That is how to do hand reflexology, a full tutorial for pain relief. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.